I heard about the childcare offer with the family information. A parent came to me and asked me about it, so I thought, oh gosh, I might look into it. I was a bit apprehensive at the start because I thought, oh gosh, it'd be a hassle, but I was really wrong. I phoned up and I asked for some advice, and they told me to go online and sign up, which was actually really easy to sign up to. So I've got 2 children using the childcare offer at the moment. They're really benefiting from it. And I've also noticed that they're actually booking in for more days with me, so it's also bringing extra business to me. They're using childcare during the holidays for their children, and the parents have come back to me and they've also said that the application process is actually really easy once they've started it up. They put their dates that the children are in with me in online, and then I go on and just confirm that they've been at my premises and they've had the days in my childcare, and then I get the payments through and they're really prompt and they are there on the day. So it's really easy. Really advise it to other childminders to sign up because it's been really beneficial to myself and to the parents.